your mail program. In this awesome teal colored packet, you'll find the materials to do your project. Let's check out what's inside. Is starting with the green number 1. Included in that is your insect head, your eyes, your stick for your handle, your paper for your antennas, and also glitters and palms to decorate as you like. Activity 2 is making a spider web using a plate, some yarn, and of course your spider. Also included is your glue stick, some awesome bug stickers, an Iowa insect, spiders, and other invertebrate guide, your instructions, and a creepy crawly guide with more information about bugs and insects. We are going to be starting with activity number 1, creating an insect head. So you will use your insect head, it's already cut out, and you're going to find your eyes. You can peel off the number 1 sticker, and you're going to glue it onto the back of your head using your awesome glue stick. Trace some glue around the cutout and glue it on. You also, in your goodie packet, you are going to get your stick and you are going to glue your stick on to the back side as well. Once you have this done, you're going to flip it over and you're ready to start decorating the front. I am going to put some awesome glitter down by the mouth. So just sprinkle on what you think should go on. Also gonna add up by the eyebrows some of these palms. And I'm gonna make some antennae. What I'm gonna do to make the antennae is I want mine to be crinkled. So I'm just gonna fold it back. And glue them on. You can glue them onto the front side or the back side. Once you have everything glued, you're going to let it dry. And once it's dry, you are able to be a bug. Now let's talk about insect mouth parts. On this butterfly head, it is going to have a siphoning mouth part. It uncoils and gets the nectar out of the plants. If we have a grasshopper, it is going to have a chewing mandible, and it will eat grass. If we have a mosquito, it is going to have a piercing and sucking jaw. So it will pierce first and suck your blood. Finally, we have a sponging mouth part, and it will attach, and it is like the housefly. So a housefly sponges up your food into its mouth. Want to know more about insect mouth parts? Check out your creepy crawly guide. On the back page, you'll find pictures and other information on all the different types of mouth parts. Next up, we have spiders. In our spider activity, we're going to be making a web. You will have string, your template for your spider web, and your spider. They can all be found in bag number 2. Spiders belong in the arachnid family. Start by tying a knot with your string on your plate. Thread your string into your holes. What makes a spider web sticky? The vertical strings of the web are not sticky. The spider will spin those parts of its web first. Next, the spider will spin the horizontal pieces, which are sticky.
Do you want to maybe throw in why they're sticky?
Sure. Why do you think your spider web needs to be sticky? It needs to catch insects, which are the main source of food for a spider. How does the spider not stick to its web? The spider will skip over the horizontal or sticky threads in its web to get to its prey before it wraps it up to save for later. Once you have finished threading your spider web, you may tie it off in a knot add your spider This is an example of an insect collection. These bugs have been captured, preserved into this box. Certain bugs can be pinned using the little pins into the box. All of the bugs have where they were located at, what type of insect they are, and who caught them. More information on how to pin insects can be found on the ISU Insect Zoo videos.
Thank you for participating in our Clover Explorer program. Join us next month as we explore dinosaurs.